after missing the entire outdoor season with a wrist injury that he sustained in press day before Fox Raceway. So, the worst way of injuring yourself on something that's just for pictures and doesn't even matter. That guy right there, RJ Hampshire, posted on his Instagram saying, quote, "Let's go racing. I believe the best way to get ready for SMX is to get some gate drops in. I might sink, I might swim, we'll find out Saturday. Either way, I'm excited to be racing buds this weekend." Now, as of the point, he sits 14th in the Super Motocross standings, so he's absolutely in no danger of skipping or missing out of the playoffs or SMX, whatever you want to call it. But it's not wrong. I mean, he's got 2 rounds, what is it, 2 rounds left? Yeah, to kind of get back into the race pace of things. I mean, you can practice as much as you want. You can be doing quote unquote motos in your practices, but they're never really the exact same. You don't have the same adrenaline, you don't have the same people racing you, trying to just go that little bit faster. And for him, probably great. Get on the bike, get some speed underneath you again, get some, of that race taste in your mouth and see what happens. Obviously, SMX is coming up, so we'll see how he goes. Um, at this point, it doesn't really matter. He's out of the motocross standings for anything, so it's just exactly what he said. Just gate drops. Get some actual race experience back under his bike, especially since you've missed the whole summer. See how that wrist, feels, how it works under full stress, and we'll see where he goes. But I would like to hear from you guys. Comment down below. What do you think happens? Is he going to do good? Is it going to do bad? Is he just going to be kind of rolling around in the mid pack? And this is exactly what it is, just some, I don't know, some conditioning basically, or whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to the last 2 rounds? Are you excited for SMX? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.